This is going to be pretty much just a chatty, rambly video where I talk about what I'm doing and why, which is basically just rearranging my art studio. I say rearranging, but it's more taking stuff off the wall and putting it back up again, which may not sound interesting, but I think the result looks much nicer, so stick around for it. I've been looking around for the perfect type of organizer, and I just really wanted one with a wooden effect because my room has a beautiful wooden desk. Apart from this mess, it's truly horrendous. And that's my recording equipment, and my daughter, she likes to draw on toilet roll holder stuff, so I have plenty of those. But anyway, yes, I really need to organize it. This is a mess. It's awful. I'm not liking it. My markers are not in numerical order, and that bothers me. See, my dad made me this marker unit storage here from scratch. You know, it's just bits of wood and like a grid type thing, and sprayed it white. It's beautiful. Everything is organized. And I also need somewhere to put my refills. There's a lot of them there too. So yeah, everything's going to fit into the storage. So it's time for me to clean up. There's so much mess here, and I keep finding things I have to show you. Here's my little desk sweepy thing with a bin. What's that called? Dustpan and brush. That's what it's called. I use that because it's so handy for like shavings of pencils. You know, I could just hoover it up, but I don't. And the color wheel is, I love my color wheel so much. Everyone should have one. I use it all the time actually. I never thought I would, but I do. There's some water-based Ohuhu brush markers and my Wacom pen that I don't use anymore because I don't use the Intuos, but I keep it because, I don't know, fond memories, I guess. Yeah, power tool's not my forte. I probably shouldn't have used it, but whatever, I didn't hurt myself. So I'm just checking to see if the marker storage actually fits in there. You know, I had a good idea that it would because I measured it, but I just want to see what it looks like before I continue. And I really like how they're looking. I really, really like it. They just look so good there. And oh my god, that's bad. But yeah, they look great. This was kind of like a self-care day, I think. You know, this was yesterday, so it feels weird doing a voiceover now and talking about it in past tense, but yeah, it was a self-care day. It took me the entire day. I didn't do any drawing, and I kind of needed that break. And I'm the kind of person who really struggles if I'm in a cluttered environment because my brain is too cluttered. So there has to be something that is at least clean around me. And I really needed to do something about it because the studio is new. We only moved into the house maybe, was it August we moved into this?
Let's do that, come on.
You'd be very annoyed with me.
Huh?
New house, and I still haven't got things exactly the way I want, but you know, that's going to take a bit of time. You know, when you buy a house and you move in, you kind of have to focus on the things that are the most important. And my art studio, even though I use it all the time, I'm in here every day, it's not the most important aspect of getting things sorted in the house. So those things will have to wait, but whatever I can do in small increments, I will do. So this has given me immense joy just to have this sorted because my desk now looks a lot longer and more open. I think having the markers to the side in the box, in the bag, it looked really crowded, like it was kind of encroaching on my space, and I really didn't like that, especially because I'm left-handed. You know, it was right beside my arm when I draw, and that was just not working out for me. So yeah, I just felt really relaxed, and this took me all day. Like I tried to change I tried to color correct everything, but it was actually at 6 or 7 o'clock when I was doing the end of this organization. So yeah, it really did take me all day long, which I wasn't expecting, because I had planned on making another video, which I will do, kind of recapping my entire year as an artist, because there's a lot going on there. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I quit my job in December so that I could make it as an artist and make this my thing. So yeah, there's kind of a lot to kind of go over, how I've done, you know, my feelings on it, and what I have planned for the future and what I expect from the future. And I did make a goals list, so it's really important that I kind of look over that and see, did I actually reach any of those goals, and reflect on that. So definitely something I'm going to do maybe this week or next week while I am drawing, just rambling like I am now, because I'm pretty good at rambling. It doesn't always make sense, but I guess that's okay too. If you enjoy my rambling, then I'm happy. I'm happy for you, and I'm happy for me.
He's just seen him well, and he didn't have to go into a car.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
And now he knows what the problem is. You know what I mean? It's not as bad as not knowing the problem.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's like, at least you know now, because I was like, don't leave there without some sort of answer.
Okay, take it easy.
Okay, love you.
Love you.
Bye. Bye.
Bye now.
I was talking to my mum, by the way. She's so cute. Hopefully she doesn't watch this video. She'll probably kill me. But yeah, this is pretty much my art room now. It's not really a big reveal in such that it looks the same. Like, nothing is drastic. Everything's gone back where it was. It's just a little bit neater. There's a lot more that I do need to do though, because I have a lot of plants and I can't really have them in the room right now because I've nowhere to put them. This is south-facing room, and the sunlight that I get in here can be lethal for the plants. It will just completely kill them, so I have to be careful. But I do need more shelves. That's on the books, absolutely, because I need more storage. Like, it's a small room and I do have quite a lot of stuff in here, but I just really want to make it more cozy with all my plants and things, just to decorate. And I need art. I need to buy lots of art from other artists who inspire me and get them on my walls, because I don't have anything right now. And I know I do have some stuff sitting in my drawers, but I need to find a way to display them. Like, I don't want to just stick them with blue tack or anything. I want to get nice frames and something that's going to kind of fit the vibe of the room, you know, with the beautiful wood that I have in here. So that's something I really want to do as well. I have a lot of plans for this room because of how much time I spend in it, obviously. It needs to be somewhere that makes me feel creative and brings me happiness. I mean, it does bring me happiness, but more happiness, because I want more. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did yesterday. My whole day was just kind of taking things apart and putting them back together again, which I really enjoy doing when I know that, you know, there's going to be a good outcome in the end. Yeah, let me know what you think, if you like this little change and you like my new storage situation. I definitely think it opens up the desk more, and I like having the pegboard up higher, because I felt like when it was lower and it was closer to me, it felt really like it was towering over me or something. And I know that doesn't make sense because it's higher now, but it's just like not right in my face, if that makes any sense. I don't know if I'm making much sense, because I'm talking all in one take and I don't know what part of the video I'm at even. So anyway, I should probably just stop. If you're interested in anything that you've seen in the video, just comment and I'll tell you where I got it. The pegboard is IKEA. All of the little attachments there from IKEA too. All of my tools, I've probably listed them before, but it's Ohuhu markers and the Ohuhu marker, the bamboo organizer. And then my dad has made a lot of the stuff as well that you've seen, so I'm sorry he doesn't take custom orders. That's too bad for you. Yeah, I'm done rambling. This has been my kind of like my studio tour, and let's organize it, and I don't know what else you would call it really, but yeah, I'll see you in my recap video. Bye.